Yeah, what's good? What's up? What's up? This is the story of Jadari Javon Holmes, aka Tsuppa. Tsuppa was born August 2nd, 1999. He was a member from the 7-4 Hoover. He was a boxer and he was always on his workout routine. He also was an upcoming rapper. But like I always say, trying to be a rapper and an active gang member at the same time is damn near impossible. Especially when your hood is in a never-ending gang war. You gotta move strategically at all times. It's easy to get caught slipping in these streets. Tsuppa was dope. He had the potential. He had a song called Who Shot Ya?
Who shot ya? Choppers with the beams, I popped ya. Took her to the bays, a bad bitch. Smoking no cookie, giraffing. Beat that thing down, that's savage. You better hope I don't, hope I don't. You better hope I don't, hope I don't. Drum on the baby K, I'm toting on the rainy day. No super soak, I soak a nigga. Out of line, I choke a nigga. Make it hits, I'm focused, nigga. Stacking on the ready K, dick on the baby K. Out of line, I shoot a face.
He had a song with his homie, Nino Casino, called Gang Shit.
I'm a nigga. Make that right on the 4 boys, put me over, burn a sin and chunky on my lap, cause I'm a nigga. I'm the topic of discussion. I was tripping, nigga, grab the Glocks, fuck it, get to bust. I'm a nigga. Steady looking, but that's your bitch. I need that Henny at a whole fifth, nigga. And that's personal. Talking at your ass, you gon' be the first to go. Run up on me, I'ma leave you on the news. That's your dead homie. With his burn up on my shoes, I was by my lonely. And I pay up on my dues, you can't tell up on me. Oh Lord, I be in the field. Oh, so give a fuck how I hate a feel. Oh, I need a bag, fuck a record deal. Oh, trapping hard till I get a meal. Hoover Street.
Then he got a song with his homie Triflin called Know Me.
All you bitches love me, yeah, keep the 40, yeah. Hustle day and night, gotta hustle to the bread. All you niggas know me, yeah, always keep it solid. Gotta keep it on me, yeah, hop up with the pilot. Precious by the murder, shut your mouth, keep it solid. Hop up on my lonely, yeah, known to get it crackin'. Pull up for the extra and we shootin' all dramatic. Dugging in the foot, I'm on your ass, I get to crackin'.
In the next clip I got, Tsuppa in the car rapping.
Yeah, started off small, working my way up to that big shit. Folks in the building and we all got about like 30 sticks. Big boy shit, you can catch me in that 50 trip. Big boy with B12, you know I'm dogging it. Play after play, run it up, I ain't had enough. Troops come get you, knock you down, you know they back you up. Fighting demons, they crazy thoughts with the body stuff. Running up, getting to it, nigga, I ain't had enough. Hold on, little nigga know I'm acting up. Go and get some gang on the shirt, I'ma back him up. Do that stuff, all about that action. Catch me on the traffic, big whips, cashing out, gotta have it. Ass so fat when she walk, had to rap it. Pull up to the hills, eating good, living lavish. Chase it after goals, gotta get it, gotta have it. Blues on that dash, and I'm riding with a savage. Hold on, really with that street shit, really with that beat shit. I'm about that back talk, never seen a back walk. This 100 bands, little nigga, you can catch me in a track talk. You better hope it don't jam. Make it through the running man, got a lot of bands. Put it on your mama head, talking to the feds. Finna slide, nigga, whoop, that's what got him dead.
He got another song with Nino Casino and SB the QB called Do What You Want.
When you that nigga, you do what you want, nigga. Fuck what you can, I got that drip from my motherfucking wall, nigga. The fuck is you saying? I got your bitch on my dick and my balls, nigga. She know I'm the man, cause I got it out the mud while you playing. Got a plan, now the boy's the man. Fuck is you saying? I do what I want, not I can. Do what she want in the bed. Understand this is regular. In the field, big dog, get your cheddar up. Smith & Wesson buying guns, get your weapons up. Bad bitches in the club, yeah, it's regular. I do what I want, I'm the man. Cooking that dough, we been working that pan. Diamonds on choke, VVS is the plan. Mom out the hood, you the man. Tour about that bag, be the great. Pull up to your block, hit erase.
He got a song called Stay Lit.
We fit it, got extensions, see out it. Get the ducky, get the little fish ducky, yeah. On the road, stand focused, yeah. I'm with it, I'm about it, on props. Big bag, more cash, a lot of cops. Yard 844, always keep piss poke. Still slip when I scope. Come see it, body, no joke. Slide down your block, hit your front door. Need big knots, need big dough. Fuck nigga, mean I ain't 10 toes. Down for respect, keep a snug nose.
And he got a song called Talk Shit.
Living lavish, counting cash on that traffic. Go to Saks, blow it back quick.
got a song called 10 Toes Down.
Victim to these streets, yeah, what it's gon' be? Make it out the slums, feed my kids, they gotta eat. Hustle by the hour, get the money, I gotta eat. All black 40, keep a thing, let it speak. Suspect or victim, yeah, what it's gon' be? Keep a son last week, yellow tape, white sheets. Grew up in the field, I'm a trooper, I'm a local. 10 toes down, I'm a slide, I'm a...
This clip right here is Tsuppa first time performing.
Who's out there? Tell us what that means. I'm watching. That thing, that bitch. Smoking on to the giraffe. Beat that thing down the side, bitch. Hey. You better hold on. Hey. You better hold on. Drum on the baby, hang on, talk already. Looking so much holiday. I like that trouble, nigga. Make it some hopes, nigga. Hey. That's stacking on the baby. On the baby, I like my shoe face. Get it back on trying to chase. Get your swag up. Get your bag up. This is the first, nigga. Don't let it hurt, nigga. I got that work, nigga. I keep the root up. Niggas losing up. See the nigga toe. Super never fall. Sitting on this body. See this body shaking ass. That's a hobby. I'm from the game back above me. Who dropped this? Who dropped it? No, nigga, keep up. Pick up the game, keep up.
He didn't even diss his enemies in his songs. But when you're an active gang member, you gotta know, niggas is always waiting to catch you slipping. On September 23rd, 2020, after finishing his morning workout, Tsuppa was spotted by his enemies and was shot and killed. The gang life equals death. R.I.P. Jadari Javon Holmes. May God be with your family.